Alright guys, I just wanted to show you this box fan air filtration setup I have going, and it works really great. Whatever you're doing, if you're like working on your house, you're cutting some wood or doing drywall. I'm working on my car, doing a lot of grinding and welding and some painting, and I just wanted to show you the stuff it catches. It works really good. I'm not sure the exact size of this box fan, but the filters I use on it are 20 by 20, and they are the cheapest Home Depot filters I can find. And I was just using one, but now I've started to like just stack, like they come in packs of 3s, and I just stack them like that, and it helps keep the one clean, and then I can just replace like the 1 or 2. So let me show you. Actually, wait 1 second. Oops. All right, so this one is brand new. This one is brand new. I just put it on, and so that's a new filter there. And let me show you the other one that's been on for a while. Wait, let me just put this on before I step on it. Okay, so this one here, this is all just welding and grinding and painting, and this is how it looks. Like this all stuff in your garage, like in your air. Even if you open the door and have circulation going, like this stuff's floating around in your air. Look how thick that is. It's crazy. I don't know if the light will go through it. Yeah, the light will go through it. And the fan is still pulling air through this clogged up filter. So let me see if I can flick this. Wow, look at that. Look, watch. Like that's all in the air. Right? So definitely I could recommend. Oh yeah, you can even see where I flicked it. That's crazy. You can see where I flicked it. So whatever work you're doing in your like garage or renovations or whatever, it'd be a good idea just to set up some kind of air filtration with a cheap fan and filter. Just wanted to show you that. All right.